Okay. All right, guys, we're still here at Hedmona, and I have a new friend. Her name is Terhas, and she was telling me about this wonderful community that is right here in Columbus, Ohio, but extends beyond. So I'm going to give it to you.
So we are in Columbus, Ohio. We have a really big community here. We actually have a Lidet that we do every year at the Mariam Church, and that's usually in May, at the end of May. And most people come from all surrounding areas, Indiana, Cincinnati, Dayton, to celebrate this Lidet. So we are very welcoming in Columbus, and we love everyone, and our community is so welcoming. Regardless of what's going on, we celebrate together, we mourn together, we are always at each other's events. That's about it.
Let me tell you, I've been here 5 or 6 times, and I had never been able to tap into the community. It makes me feel really close to Columbus, knowing that you guys are here now. And I was just saying that I can always come here now whenever I'm feeling a little homesick for a little macchiato, shahi kamam, a little fool, maybe some picha. So home is wherever your heart is, and my heart is always where the community is at and people that I love and care about. So now Columbus is one of those homes. If you have not been to this great city, I highly recommend it. Also, if you've not been to this restaurant, I highly recommend it. And that's it, really. Maybe you'll see Terhas here, or maybe you'll see someone else, and possibly you might even run into Castaic Jones if we're able to come back for this festival, well, for this religious event that's happening on the 30th of May, 2026, right here.
Right.
Thank you.